Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to convert USDT Tether to USD on Coinbase, step by step, updated for 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Coinbase app or website and sign into your account. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version for the smoothest experience. Step 2. Tap on Assets at the bottom of your screen. Scroll through your list of crypto holdings and find USDT. Step 3. Select USDT, then tap Convert. This will open the conversion screen where you can select the currency you want to convert to. Step 4. Choose USD as the currency to convert into. Enter the amount of USDT you want to convert, or tap Max to convert all of it. Step 5. Review the conversion details. Coinbase will show the exchange rate, any applicable fees, and the final amount in USD. If everything looks good, tap Convert Now. Step 6. Done. Your converted USD will appear instantly in your USD wallet balance on Coinbase. Tip: conversion rates may vary slightly depending on market fluctuations. Always double check before confirming. And that's it. Now you've successfully converted USDT to USD on Coinbase in 2025. If this guide helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching.